Hello world! Today I'll show you how to make shoyu ramen. To make shoyu ramen soup, various ingredients, seasonings, and dashi are necessary. Very difficult and time-consuming process. Japanese ingredients are difficult to obtain overseas. Therefore, as a simple method, I'd like to introduce the method of reusing pork broth as a ramen soup. When I made the Chashu Rice Bowl in the previous video. And these are leftover chashu, white onion, and soft-boiled eggs that have been marinated in sauce for 12 hours. About the noodles for ramen, I use a bit of magic by adding baking soda when boiling pasta noodles. You can make noodles ramen-like texture. Okay, let's start. Oh!いただきます。Soup is great. Soup is tasty. うまっ。ヤミー。うまい。これはうまい。うまい。うまい。 うん、うまい。これはうまい。普通にうまい。完食です。ごちそうさまでした。How was today's video? Reusing cooking broth as a ramen soup is a very easy method, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching.